So I know I'm showing out tonight. My other camera, the battery died, so I had to change cameras. But so in here I made a butter, lemon, garlic, oregano, and cilantro mix that's going over the top of my stuffed salmon with lobster and crab and oregano, minced garlic,